Hey guys, welcome. I'm Pashvika. Welcome to the channel where we talk a lot about making money online as a creative person, as an artist. In today's video, we're gonna be actually diving into Zazzle once again. We're gonna do some little bit product research, design research, and niche research. So let's dive into the laptop, and we're gonna look at some other niches and what we can take the idea, because sometimes, I think not sometimes, once in a month or once in every 2 months, the doing the research is really helpful, plus getting the new fresh ideas, new perspective, and see what's selling and all that stuff, because the homepage of the platform is so juicy that it gives you the new ideas, new inspirations, and new design stuffs to work upon. And they keep on changing this, so it's better to do the research once in a month, I would say. So let's dive into laptop and let's do together this research on Zazzle. Before that, give this video a big thumbs up, consider subscribing for more such videos. And hey guys, we have 30% off in my store right now. You can very well check my Gumroad store. I'm gonna leave the link is in description. You can very well grab the Zazzle products at 30% off, and you can use the coupon code August30 before the sale offer. Before this offer ends, please go and get the products at 30% off. You can very well grab the Zazzle product. It's kind of like a bundle planner, which will going to help you plan for your shop, help you track the sales, help you with everything for your shop on Zazzle. It's a PDF download. The link is in description. The second product is a Zazzle Beginner's Kit, step-by-step tutorials on how to get started and how to make money, how to make products, everything in depth. You can check these video tutorials. It's also a downloadable, files are there, you can download and you can like take a look at that. The link is in description. The third, we have Zazzle ebook. It's a short ebook, but it will going to help you, because the things that I'm covering in the ebook I'm not covering in the planner, and also I'm not covering in the tutorial. So if you want more little bit about my experience about the selling on Zazzle and a little bit more in-depth tips, then that short ebook is exactly for you. The last product we have is the Zazzle audiobook. I think I made that recently. It's like an audiobook audio course. I think it's around 1 hour. You can listen to this while you are working or while you're at the gym or walking, whatever you're doing. And it will going to help you with the Zazzle, making sales, coming up with the design ideas. A lot more is there. It's also a downloadable file. All the links are in description. Please grab them at 30% off right now. The coupon code is August30 before this offer ends. So act soon now if you're interested. The links are in description. Without further ado, let's dive into my laptop and let's do the research. So I'm here actually jotting some ideas for my own store. So we're gonna do a little bit of the product research for our next couple of the months. So if you design weddings, baby shower, birthdays, you can go with that. But today we're going to take a look at the personalized gifts and dorm room decor, because I like to decorate, I like to design these kind of products more than the weddings and baby shower. Of course, I do design the baby shower. Weddings, I don't do that much. But today we're going to take a look at that. So let's take a look at the first personalized gifts. Now obviously depending on the events like Father's Day, Mother's Day, Daughter's Day, these things will be popular. Also for the Valentine, the specialized gifts will be way more popular. But don't forget that the holiday people also buy for their loved ones, for men, women, parents, grandparents, kids, and so on and so forth, for the nurses, for the teachers. You also have baby shower gifts, bridesmaid gifts, photo gifts. Like these are the niches or the ideas or the recipients that you could very well target for gift section if you want to target. Let's take a look at some of the ideas over here. Now I want to take a look at the keepsake. Like this is the niche or this is the thing that's not that popular. I mean, not many people are going. Of course, there are over 1 million, 1.5 million products. You need to sub-niche down. But usually I see people going with the wedding and paper products more on Zazzle, less on the keepsake products like the gifts or something like that. Now keepsake, it's a broad category. It could be like you can see for the pets, so you can also make it for the pets. You can also make it for sports item like related to some collage or for some sports category. It also makes for babies or the kids, that's also a thing. Or you can also make for loved ones like a couple. You can also make for your grandparents or whatever. Okay, you can make it for anybody and everybody. So you can take a look at the first homepage. It's the more about the pets here. So if we go into the pet section. Let's just click over here and see what's gonna look like. So over the pets is 27,000 search results. Wow, from 1.5 to 1.5 million to 27,000, we niche down so much. You can even niche down even more, like a dog lover, cat lover, or any other pet lover. You can sub niche down depending on the animal as a pet. So you can see you are getting the niches over here: the pet photo, modern simple template, family, friends, puppy, Mother's, Father's Day, birthday, cute, like there is so much. So most of them are photo gifts. So you can see there is a photo and there is a name of the pet, or it's kind of like a love and the paw sign is there, or just a simple picture photo like this. My heart belongs to Bailey, or my heart belongs to my pet, whatever the name of the pet is. So this is kind of like a pet section. You can see in the loving memory, this is also the unique idea that you can go with that, the keepsake and loving memories. This is for the pet, but then you can target for the couple as well. So let's just go back. We take a look at the pet section. If we go to some other section in the keepsake, let me just go over to maybe this Instagram and see what's gonna hop on. It's 9,732 search results, perfect for targeting. If you want to target the keepsake photo gifts, this is perfect niche that you can go, and it's not that competitive. Now what you can see over here is a simple keychain with the picture of the couple and the love written, or you can also have the name of the couple or their initial letters like a monogram, or there's a kids one, kids with the pets combination. But also you can have the family one over here, besties like a best friends, BFF, or family, or grandfather, or grandmother, or pets, kids, like for dad as well. You can create this one like this. Like this is amazing. You can see so many products. You can even make it on the poker cards. That's a great idea. So this is kind of like a main photo niche. Okay, let's go back, and this was the keepsake section. Let's go and see some other sections. So we can also take a look at the section of the doormats. Like let's take a look at this section. So here we got the weddings, wall and art decor, home and living, craft and party supplies. Now it's over 400, over almost like 500,000. Okay, so you can sub niche down and you can see which one you want to go with that. Now here it's not photo, it's like simple text design like this one, simple wedding poster. So if I click over here, like a welcome sign for the weddings, for the baby shower, for the birthday, for any kind of party, it's 16,460 results. It's just a text-based design. Okay, there is no picture. If you don't want to use a picture, no, you also skip. It's pretty simple, and you can go for the gifts for the different recipients and take an idea from that. But you can see the gift for the kids, the broad category, over 1.1 million. So you can sub niche down depending on more specific category. You can take a look at that, or you can just take a look at the products, like the name niche is there, or the monogram niche is there on the sports item. Now these are more kind of like evergreen products. They're gonna sell all throughout the year, but if you want to go with the Christmas, you can be more specific with that. This is another cool for the chalkboard binder, like Charlotte's artwork, masterpiece portfolio. Like you can make a binder like that. This is a notebook. This is so beautiful. So you get the point, right? Let's take a look at the dorm room and decor. We take a look at the personalized gifts. I covered a little bit about them. Now let's take a look at this one, dorm room decor. So here you can see the monogram gifts are there, or simple hello, or the patterns are there. So if you are the one who create pattern, then this is a category, or this is a niche is perfect for you. We can target the bedding, throw blankets, throw pillows, wall art, so much is there. So you can even scroll down and see what's there. Like this is a simple canvas print. So if you create your own art, like you can see, if I take a look at this designer, because usually we see the template based product. Now this is just a pattern. Obviously it's a beautiful piece of art, but there is no text-based design here. And you can scroll down, you can see so many people are selling in this category. It's like acrylic designs over here. And so you can see this is a pro designer. You can also click over to the designer and you can take a look at their own collections and products that they have in the store if you want to go more deep dive into that. I sometimes do that to just get an idea about the designer, what they're selling, and you can see their work. Okay, so let me just go back. I love them. Here is a simple text based, the line pattern, stripped pattern. You have so many ideas over here. Shoe wallet, it's so simple, right? Obviously you don't need to copy this designer, but you can see the idea. If you want the fresh idea, comes in a while, like once in 2 or 3 months or once in a month, depending on how much comfortable you are or whatever. You can take a look at the platform, what's selling, because they keep on updating their homepage, and on the homepage itself you see a lot of the ideas that you can go for that particular platform. And not just for the Zazzle, you can use this niche or this designs for Redbubble, Teepublic, other print-on-demand platform, displayed wherever you would like to sell. Okay, even for the Etsy. So this is a welcome, don't wear it out, like also another text-based design. And you can see the pattern, simple patterns, peacock feather pattern rug, simple ones, very simple. If you create a pattern, texture, text-based design, this is also exactly the niche for you. Black and white is kind of like anybody can create. You don't need to be a fancy designer, or you don't need to know anything about designing. You can just create white and black gold and black silver, black red, and that would work amazing. So you get the point. So here we have vanity trays, shower curtains, bath towels, bath mats, and these are monograms niches, simple monograms or simple patterns, like, or textures or abstract work or acrylics, whatever you call it. You can see it's pretty simple, nothing fancy going over here. Best dad ever here, best mom ever, whatever, you can use it over here. You can also take a look at the throw blankets. I love this section of the home decor because these products are really high price. So obviously you're gonna make a good commission, good royalty percentage because of the high price in the product. And plus, not many people go with that because majority of them go with the paper products on Zazzle. So I like paper products, but I like home decor more than that because it looks so good. My designs look so good because I create patterns, abstract art, which looks so good on these home decor items. If you can relate to what I'm saying, then you can understand what I'm trying to say. So 344 search results, perfect. And you can see this is actually features on the first home page. That means it's selling, right? So dorm, blankets, and throws. So this is a dorm is a niche that you can go with that. And you can see. Hopefully you find this video useful. Do let me know what you think in the comment section below. Your questions, your comments, your queries as usual are welcome. And please guys, don't forget to grab the offer that I have in my shop right now, 30% off, flat 30% off on all the products in my store. You can grab the Zazzle products, print-on-demand products. There's so much more. The links are in description. And you can use a coupon code August30 at the checkout to get 30% off. The offer is only available for short periods, so make sure you act right now. But thank you so much for tuning in this video. I'll see you the next time. Till then, take care. Bye guys.